You rank on Google Maps for your name, but not for limo service near me. That gap is where your revenue leaks. I'm Sheikh Rijaul Karim, local SEO expert. Here is what most agencies miss. Google Maps doesn't rank your business. It ranks your relevance to a place. Most limo companies make one mistake. They act like they serve one city, but you operate across airports, routes, and neighborhoods. Google sees one location, your business does many things. You show up in one area, you disappear everywhere else. This is not a traffic problem. This is a structural problem. Your service pages look like fillers. Short text, same format, no details. Google reads this as weak coverage. Customers read this as uncertainty. Now flip it. Each page should show real pickup patterns, airport routes, peak demand zones. This builds trust and signals presence. Not all searches are equal. Airport transfer is urgent. A city-to-city ride is planned. Different intent, different page. If you mix them, you lose both. Ranking on Google Maps is not about adding cities, it's about providing you operate in each one. Fix your structure, align with real demand. That is how you turn visibility into booking. Thank you.